Hi guys, my name is Megan, and this is my website. Here, I'll take you to the home page. So my website is called Megs Adventures. The reason I made this website in particular was for a few reasons. One, I'm really bored up at school. I am very, very tired of being in school. I'm ready to move on and do something new with my life because I miss having time to go on adventures and do cool things and explore the world. And so I wanted to make a website that reminded me of the adventures that I've gone on and to maybe hopefully inspire those who are feeling the same as me to get back out there. Sorry, I have to move the screen grab around because it won't capture my whole screen, I guess. But another reason I wanted to make a website about my life was because I wanted to use my own pictures. I have been into photography since I was 14, I believe, and photography is a big part of my life, and as I've gotten older, I realized it's not going to be part of my career, so I wanted to use my pictures and show them off a little bit. So yeah, here, I'll show you a little bit more. I have up at the top here, got my home page. I have a specific blog post for Seattle, got my Connect With Me, my adventure blog, and some shopping. Seattle. I'm very, very, very proud to be from Seattle, if you can't tell. So I'll just show you this real quick. But all this is just a very specific blog post about why I love Seattle, some of the things that I've done there when I've taken my friends and that we've enjoyed, and kind of like a beginner's guide for what you should do when you go to Seattle and all that stuff. And because Seattle is one of my favorite places in the world, and I miss it very, very much. But if you like some of the pictures that you see, you can buy them. Some of them. I have to put more in here. But you can buy some photo prints over here. Not a great selection so far, but I have time to add. But, yeah. This was actually the hardest part for me, setting up the shop, because PayPal was being whack. The videos were helping, but my setup looks completely different from the setup in the videos, even the new ones. And so just trying to navigate that and trying to know if I was entering the right information or if I was getting scammed, because I'm very suspicious when people ask for my social security number. I'm very suspicious, and so that was really, really hard for me to set up this whole shop with PayPal. And I don't even think I did it right. So, yeah, but that is my website. Thank you for exploring it with me.